integration of x into tan inverse of x. As there is a product, so we have to take integration by parts, but tan inverse x has no integration, so we have to change its order. So by integration of tan inverse of x into x dx by rule called LIAT, integrate this by parts. So first part is tan inverse x as it is into integration of second term x dx, then minus integration of bracket, in bracket derivative of first function. So d by dx apply on tan inverse of x, so derivative of tan inverse of x with respect to x multiplied by integration of x with respect to x, bracket complete into dx. Now simplification, tan inverse x remain as it is, and integration of x is x square by 2 minus integration of bracket derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square, and integration of x is x square by 2, bracket complete into dx. Now again, as we did in logarithmic function, we always in algebra we take all logarithmic or inverse function on right side only. So tan inverse of x square by into x square by 2 will become x square by 2 into tan inverse of x minus simplify this bracket, as 2 is a constant, we take outside integration, so 1 by 2 in integration we get the proper fraction, rational fraction x square divided by 1 plus x square into dx. This is a proper rational fraction, so we have to adjust denominator in numerator, as denominator is 1 plus x square, so we adjust constant 1. So this can done by the step x square by 2 into tan inverse of x minus 1 by 2 into, we adjust denominator in numerator, so we take denominator in numerator as it is, that is 1 plus x square, as we have given only x square, so we have to cancel plus 1, so we take minus 1 in numerator, and denominator will be 1 plus x square into dx. Now we put the bracket on 1 plus x square, so we get subtraction in numerator and denominator is common, so we can separate the denominator. Now this first term is remain as it is, x square by 2 tan inverse of x minus half as it is, and integration of the first term will be 1 plus x square divided 1 plus x square, so it will be 1 minus second term will be 1, has a numerator 1 and denominator as a 1 plus x square dx. Now see the subtraction we get in integration, so by rule of integration we can take separate integration. Now first term remain as it is, x square by 2 tan inverse of x minus half, and we put bracket, as we know in separation we get two separate integration, but 1 by 2 is a common multiplier of both, so we put bracket before separating. So we take separation of first integration by 1, first term 1 minus integration of second term 1 upon 1 plus x square into dx, and finally we get the answer as x square by 2 tan inverse of x as it is minus half into bracket, integration of 1 with respect to x is always x, and minus integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square, as we seen derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square, so integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square is tan inverse of x, bracket complete, plus integration of x square into e raised to minus x, as there is a product of terms, so we get integrating by parts, integrating by parts. Okay, so first part is x square into integration of e raised to minus x dx minus integration of bracket. In second part we take derivative of first term as x square into integration of second term e raised to minus x dx, bracket complete into dx. Now simplify, as in first part x square remain as it is, integration of e raised to minus x, as x has a coefficient minus 1, so integration of e raised to minus x will be e raised to minus x divided by coefficient of x minus 1 minus integration of bracket derivative of x square, as it is a power function, so we decrease the power and take the power in multiplication, so derivative of x square will be 2x into again e raised to minus x has integration e raised to minus x divided by minus 1, bracket complete into dx. So we have to simplify this bracket to take the integration. Now this minus take in numerator, so the term will become negative, x square minus x square e raised to minus x. Now again this minus came outside integration, so this integration will become plus, and constant 2 take outside, so in integration we get x into e raised to minus x dx. Now see, this bracket is simplified which has to integrated, but this integration contain again product of two terms, so we have to take by parts method again to integrate this. So again we put again integrating by parts. Now first part will be x first term will be x and second term will be e raised to minus x. So this first term as remain as it is x square minus x square e raised to minus x plus 2. Again in by parts we separate the integration and 2 is here common multiplier of both the parts. So we put bracket and in bracket we take the by parts method. But again in first part x remain constant in integration of e raised to minus x dx minus integration of bracket. In second part derivative of first term x with respect to x into integration of second term e raised to minus x with respect to x bracket complete into dx and whole bracket completed which is multiplied by here 2. Now simplifying minus x square e raised to minus x as it is plus 2 into bracket x into e raised to minus x as integration e raised to minus x divided by minus 1 minus integration of bracket. Now simplify the second part as derivative of x is 1, so 1 into integration of e raised to minus x is e raised to minus x divided by minus 1 bracket complete into dx and whole bracket completed which multiplied by 2. And finally we have to simplify this bracket and take the integration of it. So first term is minus x square e raised to minus x plus 2 is remain as it is into bracket x into e raised to minus x divided by minus 1 will become minus x into e raised to minus x. Now take minus sign outside, so integration sign of integration will be plus, and in integration we remain only term e raised to minus x as it multiplied by 1 only. So finally minus x square e raised to minus x plus 2 into bracket minus x e raised to minus x remain as it is, and we have to take only integration of e raised to minus x which is e raised to minus x divided by minus 1 bracket complete, and as all integration is completed so we put plus c. Integration of x square into cos of 3x. Again integrating by parts as there is a product of two function is given. So in first part x square take outside integration, in integration we get only second term cos of 3x multiplied by dx minus integration of bracket. Now in second part derivative of first term x square with respect to x multiplied by integration of second term cos of 3x with respect to x bracket complete is multiplied by dx. Now x square as it is, as we know derivative or integration of cos is a sine, but x has a coefficient 3, so its integration will become sine 3x divided by 3 minus integration of bracket. Now simplify the second part in the bracket. First take the derivative of first term has a derivative 2x and integration of second term cos 3x has a integration sine 3x divided by 3 bracket complete multiplied by dx. Now simplify the bracket to take its integration. As here x square into sine of 3x divided by 3 remain as it is minus, now in bracket we have a constant 2 and 2 in numerator and 3 in denominator, so we get 2 by 3 outside integration, and integration we get product of again x sine of 3x dx. Now you can see product is given and its integration we can take by parts method. So again integrating by parts. So x square sine 3x divided by 3 as remain as it is minus 2 by 3. Now 2 by 3 is a common multiplier, as in by parts we get the subtraction, so we have to put bracket and then take by parts. As in first part x remain as it is, we get integration of second term sine 3x with respect to dx minus integration of bracket first part, second part take a derivative of first term and multiplied integration of second term bracket complete into dx and whole bracket completed. Now x square into sine 3x divided by 3 remain as it is minus 2 by 3 into bracket x remain as it is. Now integration of sine is always cos, so integration of sine 3x as coefficient of x is 3 is minus cos of 3x divided by 3 minus integration of bracket. Now in second part derivative of x is 1 and integration of sine 3x as we seen minus cos 3x divided by 3 bracket complete into dx and whole bracket complete. Now simplify this bracket to get the answer. So the terms will remain, first term remain as it is divided by 3 minus 2 by 3 into bracket. Now this term will become minus as negative sign is there, so minus x cos 3x divided by 3, and now the minus sign in bracket came outside, so integration become plus and constant is 1 by 3 and we get integration only cos of 3x dx. And finally answer will be x square into sine of 3x divided by 3 minus 2 by 3 into bracket minus x cos of 3x divided by 3 plus 1 by 3, and integration of cos 3x is a sin 3x with divided by coefficient 3 bracket complete, and we put the constant of integration c.